What is banking? Banking is defined in Section 5 of the Banking Regulation Act, 1949. Simply put, it's about accepting deposits from the public and lending or investing them. Deposits are of two types: demand deposits, like your savings account, withdrawable anytime, and term deposits, like fixed deposits, repayable only on maturity. Advances are fund-based, loans, overdrafts, cash credits, and non-fund-based, letters of credit, guarantees. Remember this classification, it's a favorite exam question. History of banking in India. Banking roots go back to Vedic times. Arthashastra mentions creditors and lenders. Formal banking began with Bank of Hindustan in 1770. Then came Presidency banks, Bank of Bengal, Bombay, and Madras, later merged into Imperial Bank, which became SBI in 1955. Nationalisation in 1969 and 1980 was a turning point. Deposits grew from Rs 4,646 crores in 1969 to Rs 137 lakh crores by 2020. Branches expanded from 8,000 to over 1.5 lakh. That's financial inclusion in action. Types of banks. Banks are broadly classified into scheduled and non-scheduled. Scheduled banks are listed in RBI Act's second schedule, eligible to borrow from RBI, and include public, private, foreign, local area, RRBS, and differentiated banks. Non-scheduled banks are smaller, not eligible for RBI support except in emergencies. Example: many cooperative banks. Public sector banks. Public sector banks include SBI and 11 nationalized banks. Earlier there were 27, but mergers reduced the number. SBI absorbed its associate banks like State Bank of Mysore and State Bank of Patiala. Nationalized banks like Oriental Bank of Commerce and United Bank merged with Punjab National Bank in 2020. These mergers created stronger, consolidated entities. Private sector banks. Private banks were allowed post-liberalization in 1994. ICICI and HDFC were pioneers. They brought technology-driven models, ATMs, internet banking, mobile apps, NRI services. Today, private banks like Axis, Kotak, and Yes Bank compete strongly with PSBs, especially in urban markets. Foreign banks. Foreign banks like Standard Chartered, Citibank, and BNP Paribas have operated in India for over 150 years. They focus on forex, trade finance, and investment banking. Modes of operation: branches, subsidiaries, representative offices. RBI insists on strong capital and Basel III compliance. Local area banks or RRBS. Local area banks, set up in 1996, jurisdiction over 2 to 3 districts, aimed at rural savings mobilization. Only a few survive today. Regional rural banks, established in 1975, sponsored by larger banks, focused on agriculture, artisans, and small entrepreneurs. They bridge rural credit gaps. Modern developments. Differentiated banks, payments banks and small finance banks, launched in 2015 to deepen inclusion. Fintechs, Techfins, and NeoBanks are reshaping digital banking with OP, wallets, and instant transfers. India is now a global leader in digital payments, over 10 billion OP transactions monthly. Question number 1. As per Section 5 of the Banking Regulation Act, 1949, banking means: Option A, accepting deposits only for savings. Option B, accepting deposits for lending or investment, repayable on demand or otherwise. Option C, issuing currency notes. Option D, providing insurance services. Answer: Option B, accepting deposits for lending or investment, repayable on demand or otherwise. Question number 2. Which of the following is a demand deposit? Option A, fixed deposit. Option B, recurring deposit. Option C, savings account. Option D, term loan. Answer: Option C, savings account. Question number 3. Which was the first Presidency bank established in India? Option A, Bank of Bombay. Option B, Bank of Madras. Option C, Bank of Calcutta. Option D, Imperial Bank of India. Answer: C, Bank of Calcutta, 1806. Question number 4. How many banks were nationalized in the first round in 1969? Option A, 6. Option B, 10. Option C, 14. Option D, 20. Answer C. 14 banks. Question number 5. To qualify as a scheduled bank under RBI Act, 1934, minimum paid up capital and reserves must be option A 1 lakh rupees, option B 5 lakh rupees, option C 50 lakh rupees, option D 500 crore rupees. Answer B 5 lakh rupees. Question number 6. Currently, how many nationalized banks exist in India, excluding SBI? Option A 27, option B 20, option C 11, option D 15. Answer C. 11 nationalized banks jor SBI. Question number 7. Which was the first new private sector bank licensed after liberalization in 1994? Option A HDFC Bank, option B ICICI Bank, option C Axis Bank, option D Kotak Mahindra Bank. Answer B. ICICI Bank, June 1994. Question number 8. Which of the following is not a foreign bank operating in India? Option A Citibank, option B Standard Chartered Bank, option C BNP Paribas, option D Canara Bank. Answer D. Canara Bank is Indian. Question number 9. Local area banks can operate in option A entire state, option B maximum of 3 contiguous districts, option C entire country, option D only one district. Answer option B maximum of 3 contiguous districts. Question number 10. RRBs were established in option A 1955, option B 1969, option C 1975, option D 1980. Answer option C 1975, based on Narasimham Committee recommendations. Question number 11. Payments banks and small finance banks were introduced in option A 2005, option B 2010, option C 2015, option D 2020. Answer option C 2015. Question number 12. Which innovation has made India a global leader in digital finance? Option A RTGS, option B NEFT, option C OP, option D SWIFT. Answer C OP.